Music. Looking for top-tier creative talent? This video dives into Creative Circle, a leading freelancer platform. Find the link in the description. Creative Circle connects businesses with skilled professionals like graphic designers, marketers, copywriters, photographers, and digital strategists. Perfect for companies needing specialized creative talent for branding, advertising, or digital content. Creative Circle's personalized matchmaking uses detailed profiles and vetting, ensuring the right freelancer for your project. This saves you time compared to traditional hiring, skipping the endless resumes and portfolios. Freelancers are vetted through interviews and skill assessments, maintaining high standards. Need flexibility? Creative Circle offers both freelance and full-time options. Plus, built-in communication and project management tools make collaboration seamless. For freelancers, Creative Circle connects you with established companies valuing high-quality work. Build your portfolio with diverse and challenging projects. Creative Circle, an efficient and reliable platform for businesses and creative professionals. Check the description for details.